com member of IEEE CIS GRSS chapter. And to his, credibility, he has, 50 plus articles in international journals, book chapters, and conferences, as well as 20 plus regional conferences and articles. And also, he holds one patent. And Sai Kumar Garu, he is serving as an associate professor and also an in charge head ECE and chief for Center for Signal and Image Processing at CMR Technical Campus, Hyderabad. And also, he is a member of IEEE, CSI, ACM, IAI, IST, and many more professional bodies. Sir, we have a great pleasure to have your session today, and hopefully our faculty, the main reason of organizing this session is that we have received a good feedback by our faculty on your recent talk with IEEE Education Society, sir. So we strongly believe that your expertise will definitely help out our faculty to further proceed, on how to teach effectively using WebEx tool. So that is the main reason why SRIT is organizing for the faculty. Especially, I want to tell you that this is the main reason why we have chosen Sai Kumar Taragaru to have a webinar session on how to use WebEx tool. And also, I hope this could be better utilized by our faculty members, to conduct further more online sessions for our students in the currently what we are doing now. So, principal sir.
Yeah, madam.
Hello, sir. Sir,
Yeah.
I request you to speak few words on this session, sir.
Yeah. Very. Thank you for a good start, a good takeoff of this webinar. Now, above all this introduction, Sai Kumar Tara is a very good friend of mine. We have been working together, organizing many events with excellent speakers, part of IEEE CIS and GRSS activities. So, with this positive note, I strongly believe this webinar will be a very good webinar and which will throw light on effective utilization of WebEx for all the faculty of SRIT to make them better and effective utilization of WebEx for going forward in their curriculum teaching, etc. With this positive note, I request Sai Kumar Taragaru to start this session. Over to you, Sai Garu.
Thank you so much, sir, for the nice introduction, and thank you, Shailaja ma'am, for your introduction. Let me begin the session. Good evening to all, one and all, the faculties of SRIT Anantapur. I will have a great time. Hope I will have a great time with you all. Though you may be new to this WebEx, my talk will be in a such a way that let me show you the live applications, how to handle the WebEx, and the things will be go very smoothly. It's my assurance. And after the talk, let me have a one small brain game with all the faculty, with kind permission of the principal sir, Hitenja Sharma sir. At the very end of the talk, let me have a small game, and
Yes, of course.
it
You can proceed.
thank you, sir. That game related to the how we think and how the things look like, whatever we are seeing is not exactly what we see. That activity shows you. Uh, Before going to my presentation, let me have few questions from the audience. Whatever the questions, if you have, you can say some questions. Does the questions will appear in my presentation or not? You can verify. And one thing before starting the session, it was very difficult. Even some faculty were talking, no issue. Being a host, we can control all the members here. Right now, we are 63, including me. Host can control the panel, like to mute or else to uh, let a speaker or else let other person can also talk, or else we can change the roles also. Like now, I am the presenter, I can make others also presenter. That control can be done only by the host. Okay, before going to that, my talk, let me have few questions. What are the challenges you have faced in your online teaching? and I request to have a one-to-one interaction rather than going monotonical one side. Any questions from the participants?
Good evening, Sai Kumar garu. This is Murali Krishna from CSC department.
Good evening, sir. Sir, go ahead, sir. Good evening.
Audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You're audible.
Okay. I'm handling the subject artificial intelligence
Okay.
through online to third year CSC people.
Okay.
At the same time, I don't know how to use this whiteboard
Okay.
during the WebEx meeting time. Could you
Okay.
please tell us how to use whiteboard effectively
Sure, sir.
in
Sure.
WebEx?
I'm making
That's
I'm
what
making
my
all the notes, sir. One.
okay,
Okay.
sir.
I got one question. Anyone? Any other?
Sir, this is Shaila. I have a doubt.
Yeah,
Uh,
ma'am.
while we are conducting the class, if it is offline, we can take the attendance of the students.
Okay.
But here, is there any provision like, for the session also only registered students can participate, kind of like, means when we are inviting
Only
the students on a
okay. You mean to say
yeah, on
that
a
only
free
registered?
trial, it is,
No, ma'am. You mean
yes,
to
yes,
say
only
that
registered.
register? Yes, yes. There
Yes.
is a possibility, ma'am. Let me discuss that one,
That
ma'am.
is yes, sir, that is very important to us to track the attendance of the students as well.
Sure, sure. I will show
That
you
would-
all the tips, ma'am, in the WebEx. Even I have took the
Sure.
screenshot of this attendance also. Seriously.
Okay,
Okay,
fine.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Any more
Okay,
question?
so
Any more question?
good evening, sir.
Good evening,
Hello,
sir.
good evening, sir.
Ah,
This is Narsimha Reddy,
yeah, sir.
CSHOD, sir.
Ah, sir.
And I have one doubt while using a WebEx.
Ah,
Then
sir.
is there any possibility to conduct online labs for the students?
Online
And
lab.
is there any provision lab?
Okay, okay, sir. I have
So
noted your question.
that is only one problem we are facing. Then for conduction of online classes, somewhat it is favor to us. Then only we are facing a problem with conduction of labs.
Okay, sir. I have noted, sir. Any more questions?
Good evening.
Sir, this is Hemlata Karmala.
Yeah, please go ahead, ma'am. Hemalata, ma'am.
Yes, this is Hemlata Karmala, sir. Yes, sir. Recently, I installed the application of WebEx meeting, sir.
Okay.
There it is asking me to enter a company URL like hemlata.csc@srt. By
Okay,
this,
ma'am.
my question is it require any license in order to use this? Can't I use like Zoom without license like this? If you
Okay.
want, I can share my screen and I can show you, sir, like where I got doubt like that.
Sure, ma'am. I will make you as a presenter when the questions begin. At that time, please share that screen, ma'am. I will help you out.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
I logged in, but it is asking some company mail ID like that. It is asking
Okay,
professional
ma'am.
mail ID.
Okay. I will show you all the participants. I'm assuring you that I will show you all the details very clearly, how to log in, how to create it, and how to host it. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay.
That is my question.
Thank you.
Sir,
Yeah, ma'am.
sir, hello.
Hello. Tell me, sir.
Sir, this is Guru Siddhartha.
Sir.
Sir, is there any tool regarding virtual lab?
Okay, sir. Any
Sir,
tools? Tell me, sir. I'm hearing.
it is any tool in this webinar, WebEx, virtual lab facility?
I don't have much idea about this virtual lab, sir. I heard somewhere it is also one kind of a tool. In the talks, let me see, sir. Does it touches any thing related to virtual labs? I will go through it, sir. I will talk to you.
One more thing, sir.
Chappan, sir. Tell me, sir.
Sir, what about the security when compared with
Ramesh,
Zoom?
sir, I'm going to talk that one very specifically. Security, right? Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
I have
Thank you.
noted.
Thank you.
Okay. Still, I got 5 questions. I have 5 questions. Okay, sir, please go ahead, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself, Bharani Kumar Reddy.
Bharani Kumar Reddy, sir. Okay.
Yes, sir, from mechanical department.
Okay.
Sir, recently I conducted a few classes. In that, students are getting errors like they are not able to log in. They are getting a few error.
Okay,
Like
sir.
an error has occurred on the server. Contact technical support. Some error code is coming and send log files to Cisco WebEx. Like that, they are
Sure,
getting
sir. Sure,
few
sir. I will help
messages.
you out, sir. I
And
will help you out.
yes, sir. One more thing is I need information regarding video recording, sir.
Oh, seriously? Even I am recording this session. I will show
Yes,
you,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
I will show
Okay.
you. I will show you. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
And
Thank you.
recording. Any more questions? Shall I begin my talk? Yeah. Go ahead, sir. Sure, sir. One second, sir. Bharani, sir. Yeah, sir. Go ahead, sir. One second. Yeah, I request I have mute all. I have a control of muting all. I have done. Now, anyone, ma'am, who want to ask question? Is there any other question? Please go ahead and unmute yourself and ask the question, ma'am.
Good
Hello,
evening, sir.
sir.
I am
All the faculty will get the chance, please. Yeah, let me talk to. Yeah, ma'am, you go ahead, ma'am. Sujana, I guess. Sujana. Yeah,
good
go ahead,
evening,
ma'am.
sir.
Good evening, ma'am.
Sir, actually, after scheduling this online class, some members are joined and a few members are facing the password is not working properly, madam. That is automatically scheduled by system only, right? I mean
Yes,
WebEx
yes.
only, right? So few members are facing these problems, sir.
Okay, I
I mean,
will
few
take
members
this
are
as.
joined.
Okay,
Yeah, sure.
sure.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, any other question?
sir. Good evening, sir.
Sir,
Myself
one
Mahesh Kumar.
second, sir.
Sir, 1 second, sir. I will clear you
Sir,
all
one
the
second,
doubts.
sir.
Yeah, Shailaja, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Sir, Raghavendra Sharma, sir, from Sir English department.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now he has muted, sir. Yeah.
Okay. No issue, ma'am. I have a control.
You can mute
Because
it, sir.
yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Sir, somewhat, sir was talking with name W.
Sir, good
Sir,
evening, sir.
Yeah.
I'm Mahesh, sir,
Okay,
from
Mahesh.
Humanities and Sciences. I have one question, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Go
is there any possibility to record the session in mobile, sir?
Yes. I will show you. In the mobile. Okay, I
Okay,
have
sir.
make a
Thank you, sir.
note of it. 9. I got 8 questions right now.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, Mahesh. Any more?
sir, this is Suman.
Sir.
Sir, this is Suman from CSE department, sir.
Sir, your name, sir?
Suman, sir.
Suman. Okay, from CSC. Right, sir. Go ahead, sir.
Sir, once students are entered, is it possible to log the students' entry without
Yes.
going out?
Yes. Student locking.
Right,
Yes, sir.
right, sir.
I will show you that one also.
Okay, sir.
Until unless they doesn't have a permission from the host, they cannot enter.
Right, sir. Right, sir.
Yeah.
For entering, there is no problem, sir. We will allow them. But for exit also, is there any permission?
For you mean to asking for the exist? Okay, now I have changed the question. Student exiting the clock. Yeah. Next.
Student wants to exit, they has to take the permission. Otherwise, they has to listen the class.
Okay.
Not I means not all the students, maybe one or two students. We have to lock.
Sure, sir. Sure. I will talk
Right,
to
sir.
that one.
Right.
Any last
Okay.
question?
Good evening, sir. This is Madhuri from Triple E department.
Madhuri. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, go ahead. Go ahead, ma'am.
Sir, actually, when I've conducted one trial class with the students, I have seen some students. I got a message that they're waiting in the lobby.
Yes, that is true, ma'am. I will show you that one also. Logging. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay.
You need to admit them, man. In between, if the students came, if the student comes late, we need to admit them. Until unless you doesn't admit, the students cannot get into your room. This
Okay,
WebEx
sir.
room. Any last question? I have answered the 10th question of Madhuri madam. Any other question? Last question.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Sir, sir, go
Hello.
ahead, sir. Yeah, go ahead, sir. Hello, sir.
Thing is, hello,
Yeah, sir. Sir, your name, sir?
sir. P. Raghavendra Sharma,
Okay,
faculty in
sir.
English.
Okay, sir.
As one of the faculties have asked that shall we record the video, and my question is, after recording, shall we upload the content to the WebEx? Maybe for the purpose of sharing the information to the students in the later stages.
Okay,
Is it
recording
possible?
and sharing. I will talk on it, sir. Sharing, you mean to say recording shared to the
Recorded
WebEx.
video have to be shared. Yes,
Okay,
yes.
that too, you want to share to directly WebEx. Yeah, you want to share to
No, not
students, sir?
recorded information to be shared
To whom, sir? To the students?
to the students
Yes,
for the
yes, sir.
purpose of future.
Yes, sir. Even I'm recording this session, sir. I will circulate the same session to all the participants who
Okay.
are here, 62 members. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank
Okay,
you.
sir. Thank you. Is there any other question? Or else I would like to start my presentation. I got good number of
Yes, please go
questions. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Okay. Let me, the first two was about, okay, let me share my presentation. Hope my presentation is visible, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank
Yes,
you.
yes.
Thank you, sir. Welcome you all to the WebEx talk that is exploring WebEx for online teaching and learning process. This is myself, Sai Kumar Tara, and presently the Secretary and Treasurer for IEEE Education Society, IEEE Hyderabad section. Yeah. Let me give overview about my content. I'm going to talk why we are organizing the talk. That is objective of this WebEx talk. And second one, what kind of an output you are expecting from my talk. The second one, and the third one, what is WebEx, and the fourth one is what is WebEx meeting, and the fifth one is how do I join the WebEx meeting, and after that one, I would like to show some. Yeah. Hope you can see the screen. Someone is Shanti 30 is requesting us to join. Even one of the participants who asked about this question logged asked, yes, Madhuri madam of Triple E department, ma'am, we can like this we can approve so that ma'am can also join. Yeah. Okay. Fine. And after this, I would like to have some direct sessions. Like some people were asking about the whiteboard effect. I would like to spend much time on it. And let me begin my talk. What is the objective of my talk is this talk gives you the knowledge and usage of the WebEx for online teaching in more effective way than other tools with full of security. Sir, here it is mentioned very clearly. Hello? Yeah, please, I request all the participants to mute yourself. Okay, thank you. Uh, s- okay, this is seriously, we do have full of security aspects in the WebEx, and it is not similar like a Zoom or is GoToMeeting or any other thing that is all free versions are not that much secured, whereas WebEx is fully secured. Let me show you what are the aspects and how it is secured. And the second objective is this talk also provide the simplified learning training session to all the participants. I'm going to train you in a such a way that you can execute your class very smoothly without any difficulty. What are the expected outcomes my talk? That means you people might expecting something from me after listening for half an hour of my talk. The first expected outcome is able to understand the significance of this WebEx, Cisco WebEx. What is its significance? And you will be able to understand the usage of this Cisco WebEx and very effective manner. And even you can you will be able to understand and adopt the latest teaching, learning, and training skills through WebEx. Seriously, for the training and placement officer of your college can also host the WebEx training for your students. Okay, this usually I used to write quotations. I have written one thing: in the society that creates a great nation with the help of only students, teaching always give respect. We are all in the noble professional. We train our students in a such a way that they give a very enlightened light to our great nation. Okay, next one is, what is WebEx? Okay, the WebEx is what is a WebEx? Let me discuss. It is a popularly web-based meeting collaboration services that provides on-demand online meetings. These are all things we can host it. One is online meeting, next video conferences and collaborations and webinars. One is this one, webinar. This webinar comes under this category, and this WebEx is subscription based online collaboration tool that brings together the people for the virtual meetings. And WebEx is also, WebEx software can be downloaded or installed using a personal PC, laptops or tabs. Few of the faculties have are downloaded in the mobiles, and some are using through the laptops or tablets are also very good. You doesn't have any problem using this WebEx. And the attendees can use the computer with or without headset. Right now I'm using headset. Even without using my headset also I can talk, whereas in other sources it creates disturbances, but WebEx doesn't create any disturbances when you talk without a headset also. That is a beautiful feature in the WebEx. And this WebEx, actually even what I am using is also a free WebEx. I can host the meetings, I can have the classes for 100 peoples only for the trial based. If you want to have a very big crowd of 1,000 students, you need to purchase a WebEx. Even let me show you the details of the purchasing of the WebEx also at the end of my talk. And based upon the people and based upon the persons, how many you want to admit, that will be the based upon that people, it will depend upon the charge. And and this is about the WebEx. And there is a beautiful options called here in the bottom you can see, allow them to uh, choose for the range of options such as chatting. One is option chatting, typing on the screen. Second one is share files and raising hand and so on. These are all the options which are available for the WebEx. Next, coming to what is WebEx meeting. Okay? A WebEx meeting is a virtual conferencing tool that allows its user to collaborate in online. Someone is joining the session deeply. Okay. Okay, allows its user to collaborate in the online environment to oppose face to face. Though we are in the lockdown stage, even I am able to see the few people faces also. That is because of this WebEx meeting. There is an option called you can watch the videos, or else you can share the videos also. You can talk to the people. And one thing, what the one exercise I have done in my home itself, I have connected my mom, my mother's sister, and my another sister, three members into the WebEx. They are chatting and they're talking. That's all. It just they're installing the WebEx till they're talking. And my mom felt really happy. Okay, anta baga jarugutundi. Yeah, it is good. Okay, this is one advantages of WebEx even for family members also. Okay, what are the things that can be done in the WebEx meeting also? uh, Meeting Center conventionally works inside the web browser. There are two options in it. One is you can directly download the app, and you can do schedule the classes and you can send. The second thing is you can do by using web browsing. Right now I have hosting this event through web browsing only. I have not installed though I have app of the WebEx inside, but I am not using it. I am hosting this event in the WebEx. Let me show you how. And see, with no programming or download, installation and configuration, you can host the WebEx meeting through web browsing. Okay, meeting centers can be used for audio only for call. There are few problems. Some people say that, sir, I'm unable to talk, but in the when you install in the desktop, it will ask you whether you want to connect it to your mobile, or do you want to connect your laptop. If you want to connect with your laptop, directly you will select an option called computer. Call to the computer, it will directly connects. Whereas coming to the video, that is coming to the audio call, you need to select that call button. It directly WebEx people will call to your mobile, while from the mobile you can talk. That means you can view the screen and also you can talk through the phone. That option is also available in the WebEx. And you can and also for the presentation and sharing context, everything can be done using WebEx. Okay. uh, the next slide is, okay, this is about the people who are asking what is the size of this meeting, and what are the things we can host using the WebEx. Whatever I am showing in this slide, it is for the paid version, few are for the free version. The one is meeting. Every day we can collaborate with the meeting, and we can even we can have student groups like classrooms. Presentation information can also be possible. We can we can have a office hours, like we can schedule a time that in Zoom it will last only for 40 minutes, whereas in WebEx you can extend the time. It will, in the schedule itself, it will say that you want to host for 2 hours or 3 hours. It gives a permission. And the internal or external meeting is also possible. Whereas coming to the training, like training and placement for students, it also has an option called synchronization learning sessions is also available. You can host a workshop, internal workshop, or else external workshops also. And you can the host will have a whole control of the panel. Okay, that means if who is the host, that host have full control on the what we call control panel. And next, coming to the event, you can have a large scale events, like if you have a paid version. What IEEE Hyderabad section have the WebEx, which is a paid version, and the capacity of that WebEx is 1,000 people at a time. That is for the paid version. And for the all staff meetings you can host, you can have a continuous education without any breaks, like by purchasing the WebEx tool. And this is about the team size. Next, here you can see in that bottom side, it is up to 200 participants, including 25 hardware videos endpoints. That means you can connect it to the people's for not, this is not for the free version, it is for paid. You can connect to the 200 people, and you can connect 25 hardware videos also. That means one-to-one lab sessions can also be conducted by this one. This is also coming to the training. You can have an interactive audio video sessions, and you can be a moderator for question and answer. Example, Shailaja madam was a moderator for this program. Next, you can break down the rooms, like you can divide the same login, like the same schedule can be given to 2 3 persons for a particular time slot. For example, this session is about 4 to 5. I can host the same event with the link. I can schedule it for the next, like 5 to 6. Like that, we can break the room, and we can host the polling also. Polling and pre-test and post-test can also be possible. And here it is mentioned 1,000 participants for the large scale events. And this is for the free version, that is you can call within up to 1,000 participants, no phone calls is needed. You can share the content, and you can send the individual messages in the chat box also. Next, how do I join this WebEx meeting? Someone was asking about this point, WebEx meeting, joining the WebEx meeting. Okay, there are few simple steps I would like to share among you all. The first step is when you install a WebEx app in your mobile or a system, it will show first thing is audio video connection. After you getting inside it, first it will ask, do you want to conduct a meeting, like that. After selecting a button called start meeting, like this, the start meeting, then it goes inside it, and there you can see all these dialog boxes, especially the audio connection, audio and video connection. Even you have seen that audio icon, video icon, share icon, and chat box, that are all available. For choosing calls using computer, meaning use of your webcam audio for video purpose. If you are calling from the computer itself, only from computer, both audio and video will be done through it. Like even in computers, we do have a webcam. It will automatically open. If you want to unmute your video, you can do it. Next, this is a big note from the WebEx, is that there is no callback feature which is available from the WebEx. You cannot call to them. Okay. Next one is you can select the video connections also by the cameras, and all the click the green connected audio and video button. All the buttons which are shown it are in green color. That means green color signifies bright things. Okay, that's why they have used a green color for that one, the green. Okay, and next one is this is the control panel of the control panel for the host here. Even let me show you. Okay, hope is it visible? Let me enlarge a bit high. Okay, now hope it is visible, sir. Hello. 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 Is it visible? Is it audible? Hello. Hello.
Hello, sir. Now
Ah,
it is audible, sir.
okay, okay.
Before screen, we were not able to hear.
Okay, ma'am. 1 second, ma'am. 1 second. Let me mute all.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
Yeah. Mute all. Okay. Sorry for that inconvenient. Now, is it visible, ma'am?
The
Jagdish, it is
screen is,
audible.
your presentation is not visible.
Okay, ma'am. 1 second.
Okay. Yes.
Ma'am, is it visible now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
It
Okay,
is
sir.
visible.
Thank you. Okay. Hope you are all clear how to join the WebEx meeting, or do you want me to repeat once? Joining a WebEx meeting. Hello. Sir, yeah, please go ahead, sir.
Hello. Yeah, you can take next step.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Sir, I request all the participants to mute yourself when I'm sharing content, like share content. That time I cannot view like a muting option. Okay. Yeah, hope it is now you can visible. When we log into the WebEx, when we are hosting it, these are the few things it will show you. Like if I am a presenter, at the even in your laptops or else in your mobiles, left side in the participants, you can see all the list. If someone if you want to make someone as a speaker, like a presenter, what you need to do is you need to select his name. That is, here it is mentioned it as LC. Okay, laptop chicken, it is mentioned like that. Click on to that one, right click. Okay, right click, and then you should change the role to the presenter. That's all. Okay, and the first step is check the participants icon to open the participation panel. First, to know the panelist panel people who are participating in it. Next, do the right click and a name and mute or unmute them. You can do one thing. Okay, and the third thing, if you want to change the role to a presenter, what you should do is you should right click onto the name and then change this content. There are 4 possibilities, but only for the free WebEx, you will have only 2 things. One is presenter, another one is host. Right now, I'm the presenter and host. I can make a presenter to someone else. Even I can make the host to someone else also. Okay. Next. Yeah, this is one more thing. Especially being a host, I can have a control on this. Even in your laptops or else mobiles also, you can see like this content file view, especially it appears in only for laptops, not for the mobiles. File view audio in the participants list. If you click on it, you can mute or you can unmute all. There is an option called third option, mute all. That is what I was doing from the beginning of my talk. To control all the participants, I'm unmuting them all. And also, someone was asking about to schedule to the students. Can we send the schedule to the students? Right? See here, like scheduling meeting. Yeah. Sujana madam. The question for Sujana madam is, madam, here in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, in the seventh one, invitation and remind, there you can invite your students. If you have a mail ID of your students, you can directly post that all mail ID is there by putting a small comma after all the mails. Directly that mail will be goes to directly to the students mail ID, and this all the links whatever I have sent yesterday to all the participants, the same kind of invitation will be sent to the students also. By clicking that link, they can directly get into our classroom. This is about invitations and all. And the last option, hope you can see, expel. Expel is if some student is disturbing you. Yeah. Yeah, Sujana ma'am.
Actually, what my doubt is, once scheduled to meeting, the students few members are joined to the same password, but remaining students are unable to join, sir, due to password is not working properly.
Madam,
This is the my question, sir.
sure. That question, the answer
Yeah.
is this one only, ma'am. The answer is there is no such password for any. Madam, please mute yourself, ma'am. Yeah, there is no such passwords which is needed for to log in it, as per my knowledge is concerned. In some cases, it will ask. In such cases, what you need to do is you need to again rejoin. That's all. No, WebEx never asks for the passwords kind of thing. But though people will share, even yesterday, what in the mail I have shared the password and all. But what you people have done, you have directly log into directly you have clicked into the link and you have joined. And that if you want all the students to should not get that problem of password and all, what you need to use is you need to invite and remind here, ma'am. In this participation list, you can directly invite or remind. Let me show you one more thing also, ma'am. When you schedule meetings and all, let me show you that one also. I have few videos. That videos will give you some knowledge about this WebEx and all. Okay. Next one. Yeah, beautifully you can have a video layout on the top of your screen towards to your right hand side. You can see these three icons. What is this three icons is, one, this grid shape icon shows you that you can have a whole student view attendance, just like a view. In that view, it will show you the whole student's roll number. Even I have taken the photo of this session when it was about 46 of 50 participants have joined. There, by pressing this grid, you can get all the students' faces if their video is open, or else you can get their names as a recording purpose for the attendance sake. And here, towards the second one is about, you can see as who is the presenter, and below all the members can be seen. That means it is very difficult to search the people. Whereas in grid, we can easily search the peoples. And the limit is up to 25 members you can view. And even there is an option called left and right, where you can see the next 25, next 25. If the size of this meeting is 100, I need to do 4 times. Okay. And next thing is like this one is active speaker and okay, this is one default thing. The special thing what I liked in the WebEx is grid view, so that we can view all the students. Need not to take the attendance. By taking a screenshot of that one, we can record it our student's name and the roll numbers also. And the next one is about floating panel view. Okay, let me go to the other slide, which is about which gives you about shared contents and all. Yeah, this is beautiful. AI Modally, sir. He is talking about whiteboard and all. Sir, I'm going to start very soonly, sir. This happens only in the share content. Okay, sharing content. Okay, and sir, in sharing content, the icon will be like this: uploaded option icon. Sir, you have this options. The first option is your screen. You can share. You can share your files like videos and all. You can share. You can share your applications like. Any project application you can share through the WebEx, and you can use a whiteboard for drawings and notes can be done using whiteboard, and you can have a web browsing option. If you want to share your web browsing data to the other person, you can do that one. Even you can share the multimedia contents also. These are all facilities which exist only in the sharing content. Okay, this is how when we press the sharing content, you can view this type of screens. What does it mean is these are all the options which are available in your computer. Which option you want to share? For example, there is one more beautiful option here, share content. There are two types of options which will be available. That is optimize the text and video, or else if you want to optimize videos also like motion videos. Okay, let me show you how it is happens. And I hope you can see the icons like this. In the beginning, I have elaborated. This is for the voice and video. This is for share contents. And this is someone asking about recording option. That is Bharani Kumar sir of mechanical department. Recording. Sir, by this button, when you press this button, recording button, when you are going to start your class, from the beginning till the end, it will record it, sir. Okay, and this is about the participants list. This is chat box, and this three dots inside it has a few options called you can lock. Someone was talking about locking the like someone CSC department, right? I want to lock student exist and all. You can in this option you can lock the students where you cannot, if your room is locked, your students cannot move. They should be in that one until unless they have a internet problem. Otherwise they will be in your room. I will show you this one also, that this three dots. In this three dot there is one more option called question and answer session is one thing, and lock you can create it, and you can invite your students to the talk also. Okay, this red color signifies you can end the meeting. Okay. Yeah. I was talking about the motion and videos also. There are two options here. One is for optimize for the text and images, and second one is optimize for the motion and videos. You can share the videos also. Okay. There are two options. The better one is text and images. Because if you use videos and all, your data might be finished very quickly. Okay. Yeah. This is what this we have seen, that is yeah, share content. I'm going to talk about much about the whiteboard effect now. Even that whiteboard effect, sir, you may get questions, sir, where do we get this whiteboard effect? When you share the content at and the very low and at the end of the share contents only, you can able to see this whiteboard. In the middle, you cannot see the whiteboard, and at the end, you can at the end scrolling down, you can see the whiteboard. Let me show you how also. Okay, okay, okay. This is about my presentation, and let me show some onlinely. How can we host and what things can we do? Let 1 second. I'm stopping my screen share option. I'm opening. Okay, now I'm directly gone into the whiteboard chapter here. Hope you all can see the whiteboard. Okay. Yeah, thank you, sir. This is about a whiteboard effect, which is available at the bottom of the share content. Let me spend much time on this whiteboard effect. Here you can see towards, hope you are all able to see the left side of my screen. The left side of the screen, when you go to the whiteboard effect, there is an option called allow annotation. Like, yeah, allow annotation, that you can have arrow marks and all, you can get it. Let me press that one. Yeah. See here. I hope you can see the names of the participants: Murali, Del, Shivabharti madam, and all Sailaja madam. These are all the people who are present in this one. You can view using the whiteboard effect. And okay, next one is this is arrow mark. When you press the arrow mark, you will click on it. Directly your name will appear. Whatever the name you are hosting, this side, like my name is Sai Kumar Tara, you will get like this. Okay. Next, okay, you can have a laser pointer here. When you are having a class, you can have a laser pointer, and this is regarding arrow. You can delete it. Okay, fine. Yeah, there is here you can see the text box at the third one, where directly you can 1 second, but directly you can type here. I'm typing as my name Sai Kumar Tara. Sharma sir. Like this we can make, and even you can change colors at that bottom third one. You can see. I request to please mute yourself. Okay. Here at the bottom third one, you can see that you can select the colors also. Here it is 4x4, that is 16 color boxes are available. Take your own color, whichever the color you like. Just type it. Like one is artificial intelligence. You can directly write a title like this instead of that one, artificial intelligence is the title. Or else you can take there is one more option called here pencil. Okay, your pencil you can take by your free hand also. You can write it like this is just like a marker. Okay, this is a marker, and you can select here it is an eraser option at the bottom second one. Just select it and you can remove. See, there are few options which are available. Yeah, hope you can see the two options. One is pencil tool, another one is pen tool. Pen and pencil tool. Yeah, if you are able to see. Pardon, sir, is my screen okay? Okay, sir, is my screen is visible?
Screen is visible, unable to see where the tools are available.
Okay, 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 sir.
The tools are not visible.
Okay, 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 sir.
Whatever the tools are you using, it's not visible.
Okay, okay, sir. That Cisco might be showing only this whiteboard part. It is not showing the left side part. Isn't it, sir? Yeah, yeah. Sir, there is no option to show that all, sir. I have not uh, click any photo of it. Okay. If possible, I will share this one, sir. Okay. So, okay, let me read out, sir. Let me read out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, there are 9 options which are towards your left hand side. The first option is you can select the participant name. Okay, second option is you can have arrow marks and you can choose a laser. In the second option, you can have an arrow which you are seeing a red color arrow here, and even you can have a pointer also at the second case. In the third case, what you can do is you can see the text box icon. In the text box icon, you can type whatever you want. Like I have written it as Sai Kumar Tara and Sharma sir and artificial intelligence. I have written by using this text box only. Next, 1 second. Yeah, over. Next, this is one arrow. Yeah. The fourth one, it's talk about 3 options. Hope you can able to see these 3 line, single arrowhead and double arrowhead. Are you able to see, sir? Line, single arrow and double arrow.
No, sir. Not visible. The tools are not visible.
a grid view.
Okay, okay, grid view. Huh? You are able to see the grid view and all options, huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Grid
okay,
view
okay.
we have seen, sir.
Okay, 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 sir. Ante towards left side, it's not coming, I guess. But here I can see, sir. Let me educate from here only, sir. In that after the text, the fourth box, it consists of 3 things. One is line, single arrow and double arrow. If I want to select a single line, I can draw a single line like this freehand. Okay, yeah, I can draw a line. Especially for the people of computer science, if you want to draw a flowcharts and block diagrams for ECE and EEE people, you can use these lines. One is this is single line. This is for arrow mark. Okay, arrow mark you can do, and there is another option in the same fourth box is double line. One second, yeah, like this you can have a double arrow. For example, I have written is a double arrow, and I would like to write something here. I have selected a pencil. For example, for EC people, if you are teaching a signals and systems and all, let me write like this: a function f of t. Okay, if it is not good, remember. Yeah, a function f of t. Okay, a function f of t whose even it is applicable for Max also, whose Laplace transform is f of s is one option. You may ask, sir, on what basis? From where you are writing this? From where you are getting pencil? The pencil option is available. Here, one more option after the arrows. There is one, two, three, four, fifth box. In the fifth box, it is mentioned, especially for the computer science people who want to draw square shapes and oval shape and mark cross mark. I'm selecting a square shape here, and I'm pasting here somewhere here. Yeah. Okay. One second. But it is a bit difficult for us to handle on the laptops with the mouse. Yeah, if you have a mouse, you can directly have in this box, one box, and you can use these lines, and you can have a oval shape also. Oval shape, and inside you can have you can write a content with your hand. For example, let me show you one thing. This, for example, this is a start box. Start. Okay, and if you are feeling it is difficulty for drawing these arrows, you can draw by your hand. Where is that? Yeah, you can draw by your hand, you can join it. Yes. Okay, whatever you can do, you should be familiarized with the whiteboard. What are the options which are available? If you know well, then you can do, and even you can have a tick marks. Okay, for evaluation purpose, you can have this. Next, after that, you have a two options called pen option and pencil option. In the pen option, it look like a marker, a big marker. If you are using an option called pencil, then it looks very simple. Pencil. Okay, pencil. Here there is only two options. One is pen tool and pencil tool, and next one, this is colors. Okay, the favorite color, whatever you want to take in the class, you can take it. And eraser is also available. In the bottom last thing, if you want to screen this, if you want to save the screen, just you put this save button. Hope you are able to see my desktop, or else the content which I'm showing directly. It shows like this, say whiteboard, or else name this one as your class name, because I teach digital signal processing for my final year students. I write it as digital signal processing. Okay, you can save it as a PDF file. Done. It has saved on your desktop. This is one option. Sir, how to erase this all? If you want to have one more thing like this, there are few options also here. Okay, this is enlarging. Next, this is the first slide. I want to have a second. 02. Okay, no, page 2 is available. Okay, key control. Yeah. By this eraser, I can rub it off. Okay. The same content. Or else in the single shot also we can rub it out. If others like this, we can handle the classes and or else there is an option called clear all or clear annotation. That means in a single attack you can remove. Sir, where do we get this one is when you click onto the rubber, which is from the bottom, it is second one, or clear all my annotations. That means it will clear all the things. For example, I would like to write an equation. Okay, let me teach you I do teach signals. Let me give an example. Instead of this one, I have created a box like this. Let me consider this as a system. Like for any system, for every system, there will be an input and output. Okay, input and output. Let me write that input to be discrete as x of n and output as y of n. And every system has its own response called h of n. Okay, now I would like to have a I would like to have a function like this. Let me change the color to a pink color. Now I would like to have a response of the system. That what should I do? I should do convolution of this two inputs. One is x of n and that is convolution of operator
H of n.
and h of n. Very good, sir. Thank you. Hope you are also teaching signals or else DSP at your college level.
Yes, sir. Both sir, signals and system and DSP.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you, sir. That is one of my favorite subject. I take up all the subjects which are related to maths. I take I doesn't take math theoretical subjects. I take only mathematics related like EMTL is favorite subject. Signals and the PTSP is one of my favorite subject. And that's why it's motivate me to sustain in this teaching field. Okay, let me write an equation for this one. If it is discrete, I can write it as is equals to sigma. If it is discrete, sigma, let me make it as x of k into h of n minus k.
H of n minus k.
Yeah, thank you, sir. H of n minus k. Where people ask me, sir, usually my students ask me, like, sir, do n varies or k varies? What are the single function which is available that will vary? Like this, you can write. That means k is equals to
Minus
minus
to
infinity.
infinity.
Yeah.
Plus infinity.
Minus infinity to plus infinity. If it is minus infinity to plus infinity, this is non-causal system. For causal system,
0 to infinity.
it should be like like this. We can teach to the students. Just it will give you just like board feeling to the students. Yeah, sir is teaching on the board. That kind of a thing can be given feed it to the student. Yeah, it change if it is changes from 0, it is a causal system. Sir, I'm extremely sorry for the non-technical people. I'm writing Max. It will be it will be very new to you. Fine. Like this, you can use all the options and you can save that one and you can share among your students. Here again, I'm cleaning once again. That is eraser button, clear annotation. That's all. It will vanish off. This is how we use a whiteboard for all the teaching, irrespective of the department like English, Max, or Science. Science or else engineering, computer science, triple A. Okay, for triple A, they might have feel why you're not talking about ourselves. Okay, let me take like this. A resistor connected to a capacitor. For basic science related to BAA and BAAA, even for PDC and all ADC related, you'll get to it. Okay. Once if you're familiarized with this one, you can play. This is R and this is C. Here I am getting an input, and here I am getting an output. Like this, you can have ma'am sensors. This is how for AAA, and for mechanical, which subject I know. Especially for computer science, I do have a learn in my BTech life. That is when I was doing project in DRDO. I learned UML. I seriously love that subject. Actor and ease views, like we mentioned here. Even you can use hand orders. You have so many things. Next, there is a sequential diagram. You can draw like this. Yeah, use case diagram. Murli sir, yes. Use case diagram.
Class diagrams.
Yes, yes. Though I doesn't belong to CSC, but I have learned few things related to CS also.
Great, great.
Yeah. This is one. Call it. Uh, 1 second. A function which call it, and oh my god. If you give break, it will play. Next, the second stage, it will go like this, and like this, it will go use case diagrams, and sequential diagram, all the things. Any related, any engineering or non-engineering subjects can also be taken using this whiteboard, or Cisco WebEx will help you out. This is about the Cisco WebEx whiteboard, and let me show you a few more things. Some people were asking about the how to log in.
Sir, is it possible to move new whiteboard so without erasing the previous content?
You I have never
See, if it is
tried.
possible, it is good, sir.
Yeah,
Because
because
some
sir,
leakages are very
yeah.
use content.
Yes, sir. But sir, we are using a free version, sir. That's why it's getting erased. Hope one thing, sir. Here you can see the grid option, and this are all. Here it is mentioned 01. Are you able to see, sir? 01 here. Hello.
No, sir. We
Okay.
have only.
Are you able to see the grid thumbnail view?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. On the left side, it will show you it is showing 01, means you have only one screen to take up. Like that, if you have a paid version, you can have more than 1, 2, 3 screens, sir. Okay. For free version, it is not available. And one more thing, before stopping my screen share, I will show you some other things also. Let me stop this screen share option. Okay, fine. I would like to go to. Yeah, sir. You can able to see, no? See at the bottom, you are able to see the whiteboard. At the bottom, yeah. Yes, sir. These are the options. You can share the files. Let me operate like this. Okay, here. Okay. For example, we have a series of tech talks and all this IEEE relevant things. I can select this one. I can directly post to all the members here. And next, there are one few more options like other applications. See the other application. These are all the applications which I can share to all the participants, like Python, share it, and all my notes. You can directly share it to the students also, including videos and all. And there is one more third option is whiteboard. Okay, I have make someone as a presenter. Okay, yeah, now I'm the presenter. Okay, next, yeah. Yeah, at the end you can see the new whiteboard where you can get this board effect. Okay, and hope you can. Are you able to see my screen? This WebEx related thing.
Yes, sir.
Okay, one second, sir. I am going to. Oh yeah. Now you hope you can see. Yeah, hope you are able to see my personal Cisco WebEx here. Yeah, it will gives my name
Yes,
and
sir.
all details. Yes, sir. Here it will gives my name, profile, contact, and sign out. Someone was talking about scheduling a meeting. Here in this option, when you log in, I personally suggest to people to use web browsing. It's better and it gives accurate results and you can view very clearly. If you select a home, this is a home page, and the meeting, if you want to schedule a meeting, click on to the schedule meeting. Okay, directly it goes to the schedule meeting, and here it will show that right now I have not scheduled any meeting, where you can schedule a meeting there. Okay, if you join meeting, one second, you need to enter. This is for the host. I went to my dashboard, I guess. There in that option you can see, okay, it's asking sign in. Okay, one second, sir. For SRIT sake, I have created one more with my mail ID. Yeah. When you log in. Hello. Hope you can view my screen, sir. Hello.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sir.
Yeah. In this one, it will show you. This is my personal WebEx link. Okay. I can start meeting, or else I can schedule a meeting. This is the meeting which I have scheduled yesterday. Yeah. Here in this one, I can schedule a meeting, and even you have options called recording options, preferences, and insights. So many options are available. One second. Maybe I have a net problem. Yes. Yes. Suresh Babu is joining. Okay. Okay. See. Yeah. Hope you can see the my board, which is white and black color at the left side.
Yes, sir.
This is what in the whiteboard it will appear. In the whiteboard it will appear. This first icon will talk about the participant list like this. Okay. Hope you are able to see. Okay. One thing. Second one is this is about the arrow marks, which I have shown you. Yeah. Arrow pointer, laser point. And this is about the text. And this is about the line, single line, double line you can draw. This is about the shapes, square shapes, oval shape, mark, and this you can do. And this is two options. One is pen. This is for marker. Pencil option. You can have a 16 colors here. Eraser, you can do it. You can do undo observation. You can do save. Okay. In the eraser, are you able to see the something? Clear my pointer, clear all pointers, clear my annotations, clear all annotations. Hello.
No, sir. The
Okay.
schedule a meeting screen is visible.
Okay. Fine, madam. Fine. Okay. Fine. Okay, in schedule a meeting, just I need to write a meeting title. This is a meeting password, and just you need to select this option called Kolkata, Mumbai, New Delhi timings. You can schedule a timing at your own choice. Like yeah, you can schedule the date and time here. Okay, this is about the recording that is scheduling, and this is about a recording option. You will have a recording option. You want to share with me, or else you want to delete. All these options are available. Till now I have not shared anything. Here it is recording. Okay, preferences like okay, please, your voice is not audible. Do my voice is audible now, sir? Sudhir sir?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Here preferences means you can connect your account through Google or Microsoft Office 365 or else Facebook. This is about personal room. If I press you will able to see my password and all. This is about audio and video. This is about scheduling. Okay. Schedule invitation will be sent. This is about recording. Recording options. These are all possible recording options. You want to record only the share contents, or you want to record without a face. Okay. That are all options are available. This is about the insights. Okay, let me play one video to you all. It's better. One thing. Yeah, hope you are able to see my screen, sir. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
One second.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. I'm stopping sharing it. Just I would like to. Sir, there is small video for you all. There are 3 videos. If time permits, I will play. Or the first video, how to share content during using Cisco WebEx. I would like to show you all. Okay. Yeah. Okay. This is about share linkers. Do the voice is coming of the video? Hello?
No, no, no.
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Okay, let me play from the beginning because few people are few people are just lefting the talk. Just I would like to play once again from the beginning.
Okay.
Sir, is it coming? Audio?
No.
Sir.
No audio, sir. Only video.
No. No, no, sir.
Controls and click share.
No, sir.
You can optimize the quality based on whether you plan to share documents and images or video and multimedia.
Okay. Maybe I have okay. I have connected through this connection. If I have downloaded directly, then it would have came. Okay.
No, sir. It comes for a while.
It is coming now. You can play.
It comes
It is
for a while.
coming, huh? Yeah. Let us
Yes.
let me play once again.
Coming. Prior to that, it was coming.
The volume is very low.
Sure, sir. I will. I will share these links also. Okay. Before ending my talk, I told you we will have a small game. Before my ending my talk, I will sincere thanks to all the participants of the SRIT Anantapur. Thanks to Hitenjar Sharma sir and Shailaja ma'am and all. With this inspiration quotation, I would like to end my talk with a small game. E is equals to MC squared. E stands for excellence, M stands for motivation, and C stands for commitment. If your commitment is half-hearted, your excellence will be reduced to 1/4. If your commitment is double, then your excellence will be doubled of that your commitment. Okay, by ending this my talk, I would like to wish you all a happy Earth Day. Please save the planet. Okay, then the last but not the least is a small mind game. Please see this. Hello, please mute yourself, participants. I request to mute yourself. Yeah, please wash this dress and tell me what color you are able to what color, what type of a color you are able to see. Hello, hello. Hello. Hello, mute yourself. A small request. Yeah, what kind of a color you are able to get? You can able to see. Is it blue or black or else white, silver?
Silver.
Okay, silver. Okay.
Silver, sir.
Inka.
Sir, on the screen,
Screen the చూడండి సార్. Screen there.
silver screen, silver.
Okay, ఇంకా సార్. ఎవరికి అది బ్లూ అండ్ బ్లాక్ సార్, ఇంకొకరికి అది బ్లూ బ్లాక్ అనిపిస్తే
గ్రే కలర్, గ్రే
కలర్ సార్, వైట్ బ్లాక్
hash color.
Okay sir, thank you. Please mute yourself. I will show you. The next slide will talk about it. Okay, the next slide is, sir, you can see it. The dress has been now the most of for the discussion, that is ఇక్కడ చూడండి సార్, ఎవరికైతే ఈ కలర్, that this color like the people who are who are able to see it as a white and gold color, they are the left brain thinkers. Okay, those who are able to they see this color as white and gold, it is left sided brain, and the people who are seeing it as a blue and black, it is a right sided brain. It will work for them. Okay, for me it is blue and black. Let me tell you the significance of this people. The people who are able to see it as a white and black, they are good at mathematics, logical and general excellence in the languages, and they can remember the songs lyrics also. Where a right sided people, that is the color which are able to see it as a blue and black, they are a bit right sided hemisphere people. They have this right sided people are generally creative, imaginative, okay, favor in arts and tends to remember the lyrics of the song. That is creativity and what we call imagination towards the blue and black people. And left side brain people, they are good at logical and mathematics. Okay, this is about my talk. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity. Okay, open for the questionnaires, and I got few questions. Okay, I will answer.
Vichendra sir, good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, sir, is there polling option is available if you want to give any questions to poll the questions? Those are available, sir.
Yes, sir. Polling option.
Raise the hand only, sir. That only that.
No.
Hello.
Sir, and one more thing, polling option is specially for the licensed people, sir. If you have a licensed option, it is there. File here, sir. In second, hope you are able to see that open question. Okay. Okay, if you have a question here, then you can, sir. Once again, I'm showing, sir. In the file, there is an option called open question, open poll question. That means you need to have a first prior question. You need to upload it, then the people will answer that question.
No, you mean to say can able to get the marks also of the students? Is it possible, sir?
Here no mark, no evaluation is not possible, sir.
Okay.
Evaluation is not possible, but we can deliver the talk.
Okay.
Okay. Next, coming to CSC HOD, sir, Narasimha sir asked about online labs. Sir, related to online labs, sir, there are few tools which are available to conduct labs. One is for ECE people, it is MATLAB. Online is also available. Latest in my other talks, I have gone through it. There, MATLAB is also having an option called online running. Okay, you can directly execute a program there. You can connect that MATLAB session to your share letter, what we call it as a Cisco WebEx, where the students can able to see and they can able to make a note of it also. Next, coming to the next question is Bharani Kumar sir, coming to recording. Sir, recording option is available here, even though the recording is going on. And next, Madam Sujana madam, I talked about the scheduling meeting. Directly by pressing the option of link, you can directly go through it, ma'am. No password is needed actually. Sometimes it will ask it if it asks, please reject it and then rejoin again. That time it doesn't ask you. Next, recording in the mobile is also possible. Mahesh sir of HNS department, he asked, okay, that is also possible, sir. And one more option that Suman of CSC department asked one thing. Yeah. There is one option called lock option. Okay, that is for paid, I guess. Okay. Here you can see, sir. Sir, are you able to see in meeting locking meeting? Suman sir, this
Sir,
is for
where
you.
sir? Where it is, sir?
Yeah, sir, in the meeting icon, the last one, lock
Okay.
meeting. You can lock the
Fine, sir.
people. You can lock the people. And next one, what was the question? Is login? Yeah, admit. Yeah, Madhavi madam, I guess she asked about login. Ma'am, you have seen something. Some faculty were joined in between. I have given an approval. Okay, that can also be done by using this Cisco WebEx. And Raghavendra sir was asking about recording shared to the students. Yes, sir. You can share your recordings to the students also, sir. Okay, through share latex to the same share content you can share to your students. And someone Shailaja ma'am was asking about ma'am, you are talking about receiving, no ma'am, schedule.
No, yeah. Means only is that possible for only registered students?
Yeah, only per register. Yes, ma'am. Until unless you doesn't share the schedule to the students, they cannot join. If you are sending the schedule only to the concerned students, then concerned student know the list link. They can only join the meeting. Others cannot join. Whereas in Zoom, it happens. Other people also, annoyed person will also join. If you know password, students do give password to others. In Zoom, they directly, if you know the meeting ID and password, you can get into it. But in Cisco WebEx, you should know the link. For annoyed person, if you have not invited him, for example, CSC people want to join in ECE without your permission. Without your invitation, they cannot join. Even though if they want to join, they should know your meeting password, and meeting password is important for them. Whereas for the people who have sent an invitation, they don't want they cannot have any password also. They can directly get into it.
Sir,
Okay.
in this case, I have a query like if it means you have shared the invitation to me, and
Yes,
if I
ma'am.
want to share with my colleague, in
Yeah,
that
ma'am.
case, the mail in the invitation itself, they will be having the meeting ID and
Yeah, ma'am.
password,
No,
right? So they
yeah,
can.
yeah. The whatever the invitation I have sent to your faculty, in that one it is officially sent through the WebEx that these people have been sent. If you want to call to someone X person, just you will share the link. That's all. But it is not
You will not be giving the permission from
permission.
your end.
Yes. Like someone faculty has joined, I can have a right to declare. That means I can remove them. I can expel them.
Okay.
Sir, Murthy sir, artificial intelligence sir, I have did I given justification to your whiteboard effect, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank
Thank
you.
you very
Thank you,
much.
sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, it
And
is almost
one more thing.
sir. Yes, sir.
Initially, I just muted all the participants.
Yes, sir.
While I'm sharing some PPT or lecture notes,
Yes, sir.
someone is disturbing and then they are unmuting it. So if I want to mute them all again, I have to stop sharing.
Yes,
Is there any
that.
other option?
No, sir. For the free license version, we doesn't have that option. Whereas for the paid one, we have that option. Sir, I would like to show you one more thing.
Sir,
Here,
can I have, sir,
yeah, sir. Yeah, sir. Go ahead, sir.
sir, I have only one query, sir.
Sir.
Suppose we can give the assignment question to the student,
Okay.
but the student will give the response. So can we store that question again at that student, sir? So
In
for
the Cisco WebEx,
the
sir?
future applications, for the future applications, can we store that answer given by the student, sir?
Wait, sir. Wait, do we give the answer to you on?
Suppose we will pose the question to the student in the form of assignment.
Okay.
So the student will give the response.
Okay. Directly he will send
So
to
this,
personal mail ID, no, sir. How can he share to
okay.
Cisco WebEx? Only host has a control to
So,
share things. Participants cannot share. For
okay, there is
example,
no such option in our WebEx.
yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, okay, sir.
Sir, one more thing.
Sure,
I would like to share. For example,
Sir.
CSHOD. I'm making sir as a presenter, for example. Yeah, change role. Okay. Yeah. If he wants to be the host, if I got urgent work, I want to continue this meeting in my absence, someone has to take charge. Directly he can give this option called host. He will be the host then. Then I will be the presenter. Hello, sir. Is it clear, sir?
That is good.
Yeah. Thank you so much for giving the opportunity, sir. At 6:40, at 6 o'clock, I have one more talk with others, sir. Thank you. I have
Yeah.
exceeded. I have exceeded time. Sorry for that one. I was so much involved with you also to teach.
So thank you very
ma'am.
much, sir, for the informative speech.
Thank you, sir.
Sir Sai Kumar Garu, actually it was a wonderful session, sir, by you. And I have answered all the faculty's queries with so much patience and everything has been addressed by you. So in this regard, I would like to express my sincere thanks for your great efforts for putting everything together in such a short period of time. And also, I thank all the participants who were very focused throughout the seminar, sir. In this regard, I would like to thank our principal, Dr. Hitendra Sharma Garu, and also our management, who have encouraged us to have these productive sessions like this, which will be very helpful in our future work. And with their constant support, I hope we will, we will find much more better paths for our future. I request principal sir or hello, principal sir.
Yeah, I'm
Hello,
here.
sir. Yes, sir. I would like to speak few words on this session.
No.
Sir.
I request anyone for a quick
Yes.
feedback.
Yes, anyone from the faculty members. Why? Because the time has already been exceeded. Actually, sir has scheduled it for 5:30 only, but it has been exceeded. So
Let us have one quick feedback.
No. They can have 2, 3, sir. I don't have. Even it can exceed up to 10 minutes or 15 minutes more also.
Right.
No problem.
Then let us expect one feedback first.
anyone from the faculty members? I request any of the faculty members to give their valuable feedback on the webinar, on this webinar session.
Hello, sir. Sai Kumar, sir.
Go ahead, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Yeah, and thank you very much, sir. You cleared for the related to whiteboard option and then log meeting or log participant. These are unable to see these options in the WebEx. So now I got it where it is there, and thank you for giving this such a task, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay. Yes, please. Please, sir, proceed.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir. Namaste.
Hello.
This is Guru Siddhappa, HNS department.
Yes, sir.
Started. I asked one question, sir.
Yes,
virtual labs regarding
Yeah,
any tool
virtual-
regarding this.
Yes, sir. Actually, in virtual labs, I have not much knowledge in virtual labs, sir. In the next, I will personally take your number. I will consent to you related to the virtual lab, sir. And regarding you asked one more question, sir. Security aspects also, sir.
Yeah,
the
yeah.
Cisco
I clear.
Yes, sir.
Sir, it is almost cleared, sir. No
Thank
problem.
you. Thank
That
you, sir.
question you answered.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for mind-blowing session.
Thank
Very impressive, and also it is informative and useful for our students to teach this by using our WebEx. Sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Yeah, tell me, sir.
Yeah, can I? I will take only the last feedback. Anybody, please?
Sir, Marty, sir,
Sir,
somewhere he was
I'm
talking.
here.
Marty?
Yeah, go ahead, madam.
Yeah.
Yes, I request you to display your mail ID and if not your mobile number so that in future if we have any queries we can pose you, sir. In this short duration we can't ask much queries also. As already I have some knowledge regarding to WebEx. Already I dealt with my students also. In today's session I also got to know extra features what it have because of your session.
Yeah,
Once
ma'am.
again,
This is my mail ID, ma'am. One is saikuma9@IEEE.org. You can see this screen sheet option also, ma'am.
yes, I'm taking screenshot, sir.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you.
That's it from my end, sir. Actually, I asked one question regarding to that license and all. I didn't receive answer for that question, sir.
So sorry, madam. I have not make a note of it in my diary. I mentioned.
That's what I'm waiting for that answer.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, for the license, you need to purchase this Cisco WebEx. For the free
Acha.
version, you can directly log into. Okay. I let me show you that one also, ma'am. That one. 1 second, ma'am.
Yes, if you permit me, I can share my screen in order to understand what my question actually mean.
Sure,
If you are
ma'am. 1
having
second.
any time, I can mail you personally, sir.
Yeah, you can mail me personally, madam. Madam, 1 second. I would like to show you one more thing for the newcomers. Yeah. Hope you are able to see my screen.
Yes, sir. I am able to see your screen.
Yeah. This is for all, ma'am. This is for all. If you want to host any event like through the WebEx, like a web browsing, go to webex.co.in. Just host. It will ask you the details like email ID and password, all the things like this. It will ask you. Okay. After pressing your email ID and it will ask for your any general password if you want to save here. Then directly after joining into that one. Okay.
Okay.
Let me directly join it. After getting into that one, you can start sharing your meeting schedules to your students and you can do whatever you want now.
Yes, this and all I know, sir. The URL what you shown is webex.co.in, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Anything else?
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Anything else? Mail.
Sure, ma'am. Sure.
I request
In case
Shailaja
in coming days. Thank you, sir.
speakers mail ID to all our faculty for further clarifications on this WebEx. And now it's my turn to thank the speaker. As a principal, on behalf of management, teaching, and all the family of SRI, personally thank Sai Kumar Garu for delivering on WebEx. Hope this talk will make a member to find new pathways to use this Cisco WebEx effectively, and they make their teaching better with this webinar. Thank you very much for giving such a nice webinar to all our faculty members of SRIT. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Even I hope I have satisfied the content and the time which I have allotted for the faculty. Thank you for the patience listening, and hope you will have a wonderful Cisco classes, Cisco WebEx classes upcoming. Thank you, sir. And sir, if anything for the students also, we can plan, sir, for faculty or students. There are few online courses and online labs which are available. I would like to talk one more thing, sir, about one thing is the people who are taking EDC, ECE and triple faculty. There is one tool called Tinkercad. It is just like your hardware lab. All the components will be available. You can just have a lab session virtually to your students. That can be done by using Zoom models. That can be done by using Cisco WebEx also. That will be very much useful
to handle EDC laboratory. Hello. Hello.
They might have left, sir. I guess EDC faculty. This is for
Okay.
This is for all,
Now,
sir.
is this to handle EDC laboratory?
No, sir.
Sir,
Not only EDC, even ECA.
Sir, the semester ECA lab is there, sir, not
Yes,
EDC,
ma'am.
sir.
Yeah, okay. Not only that, ma'am. Whatever the hardware lab we can host there, we can do execution. Even
So
especially.
better we.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, better we take one more setup. Let me discuss with Dr. Ravichandra, who is the head of the EC department. He'll come back to you.
Sure,
okay. And actually, I am interested to ask you to deliver a talk on this drones. I saw somewhere that you mentioned that you can extend help to develop drones.
Yes, sir. Hari, sir, our BTech team, with my guidance, we are done with the true drones, sir. One is our student. One of the student, he has a pilot license. He's certified for drone also. We have done two projects. One is for Qualcopter. We have done that. The thing which I have shown in the group also, no, sir. That video, that is also done.
Yeah. That I could see that, and maybe towards this, our head of mechanical engineering department, Dr. Kishore, again he will come back to you on that.
Okay, sir. Sure.
Okay. So this meeting again connecting two more ways for us. One is for EC.
Sir, one more thing, sir. I request all the faculties to use share latex, sir. If for exclusive for faculty, I would like to take for half an hour or 40 minutes about the share latex, like what we call it as PPT. I hope all the participants have seen the PPT that I have done using latex. That too online, not hardware, not like installation. Everything we can do online by using shared latex. Now it is named it as Overleaf. One I would like to share, sir. Hello. Sir.
Yeah.
Sir. Yes, sir.
We'll definitely plan for share latex talk also.
Okay, sure. But it will maybe next month, sir. I may be busy this month ending. I have other.
Yeah. We'll see the convenient time.
Sure, sir. Sir, I will give 100% my effort to SRIT Anantapur.
Thank you. Thanks for that very kind
Thanks for
words.
that assurance.
Thank you.
Thanks for the positive support. Very good.
Okay, sir.
I thank all the faculty of SRIT also for their active participation in this webinar, and I wish that this talk will help you to better your teaching in WebEx.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you,
you,
sir.
Sara Garu. Thank you. Thanks,
Thank you, sir.
Sairaj Madam, for hosting this talk. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you
everyone.
very much.
Good evening, everyone.
Thank you very much, sir. Signing out, sir. Thank you.